Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And they say third time is a charm. They say third time is a charm. We shall see. That was a fire department warning that interrupted my video, so who knows. But I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna use a little tile this time. And I'm just gonna go the old way, and I'm gonna blow out my bloom, and I'm just gonna see what's happening, because it's just been a bad bloom day for me. Although the last painting did not come like a bloom, but it certainly came out gorgeous. It was a keeper in my book. So I'm putting down my black Sherwin-Williams. Tricorn black, Sherwin-Williams to go. And I'm going to put down a whole bunch of paints. So this is this little piggy. And that is lily pad. And next I'm putting Atelier Free Flow, Cobalt Turquoise light. Next is this little piggy, and that is Harvest Gold. Next is my Liquitex Alzerian Crimson U Permanent. And I'm trying to go as quick as I can here, because these paints are just want to fly off. And last but not least is this little piggy Sapphire. And actually that is not last, because the last one I am putting up here is Green Gold Purple by Ghost Chameleon, which is an iridescent, which is totally amazing. And I'm gonna put that all over the place. Yeah. And I'm going with a black cell activator, because that's what I have out right now. And I am hoping that this is not the problem, because I do feel thinking it bounces back, so here we go. Closing that up, and I'm coming in. Whoops. So this is looking good to me. I see my cells there. I see everything forming beautifully. So it's coming back to the middle. My hands are totally black right now with the paint. Let's give that a second to come in. Maybe I can clean up my paints and hands in the meantime. Wondering if I can go in with my straw. give this a little spin. Actually, let me... If you could see that shine in there, looks quite beautiful. I may not have sales all over, but I have such beautiful ones and I have such gorgeous color. So I think I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead, and I'm gonna call it a day on this one because I do like the colors. Makes a darn pretty little painting there. And yeah, it looks like a little snake. A little snake in there. A little serpent. So, thank you for coming. Third time, little charm, but I'm happy with it. Please subscribe. I'll be trying again tomorrow, practicing a little more tonight. Trying to work on my paints and see where I've gone wrong. Have a great day, have a great night. Donna from Hollywood. Be safe out there. Signing off. Bye-bye now.